Hi guys, I am Evans1 and welcome to my very first YouTube video. And yes, this is my very first YouTube video, guys, and welcome to my channel. A few weeks ago I purchased my Apple 7 series watch. So today I'm going to unbox that. This is the watch, guys. And also I have purchased a couple of other bands, like 14 different colors of other bands from Amazon, so I'm gonna try those as well. So this is the watch, guys. I'm gonna unbox it. It's hot. Yep, so this is it, guys. Yep, this is the band that I have. And yes, the case is 45mm. And yep, that's the sport loop. So I'm gonna open. So basically this is the band, guys. Beautiful color. What do you think? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And this, I got the green and the blue. Green/blue. I like it. Beautiful. Now let's see. Wow. I really like it, guys. Look at this. Wow. Look amazing, right? This is the So let's go. This little plastic, the sealed. Ta-da! Pum, 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 pum. Look at this. It comes in a green sleeve, protective sleeve. That's beautiful. Ta-da! Wow! Look at it, guys. The 45mm green aluminum case with blue/moss green sport loop. Let's get started, guys. Finally set it up, guys. It's not too big, it's perfect size. So you guys can look at it. So it's starting the process, guys. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I purchased 14 bands from Amazon. So I'm going to try and see how it looks like that. Ta 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 ta. Let's try a different band. That's a beautiful band, guys. Beautiful band. So let's try a different color. Wow, this is the yellow, guys. The yellow looks cool. That's super cool. Boom. You see it, guys? White one is awesome. I will also add the link of this, guys. That's a very good price. I purchased all of these 14 bands for like 20. The link is in the description, guys. Where you guys could buy for your watch. They also have it for the 41 millimeters. Yeah, they all look cool. Look at it. Boom. It's so cool. All of them are cool, guys. Look, I still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 more colors. So, oops, another one as well. 9. So we got this 10, 12, 13, 14. Actually, it's 15. That's a lot of bands for 20 something dollars. So very, very cheap. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end this video. Thank you very much for watching. And thank you for supporting this channel, this brand new channel, and thank you for supporting my first video by liking it, sharing it, and commenting. Thank you very much. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok as well. And thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.